Nice Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today in the studio live we have another unboxing. I'm excited, man. It's been a while since I've been in the studio. Literally just came back from Miami. Before that, I was out in San Antonio, Texas. So I've been traveling a lot, and this is good to finally be at home, bro. Be in the studio, back talking to y'all, and back doing these unboxings. Very quickly before we get started with the unboxing, if you are not subscribed to the channel, guys, we are super close to 100K. I definitely need y'all to hit that sub button. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping content, because it drops all the time. Last but not least, my Instagram and Twitter is down below in the description of the video, so head over there, give me a follow. Thank you, I appreciate it. Let's get into it. First off, man, I want to get into these bags, okay? Because these bags have something special in them that I want to talk to y'all about. Y'all know it's getting hot out right now. And I already opened up these boxes because I got this package a while ago, but I was just waiting for the perfect time to unbox these. And I know a lot of you guys are looking for a summer slide or some type of hot weather, good weather slide or sandal. And here we have the Draco slide. First of all, they come in like this crazy, like it's almost like a designer good material bag. And it's a whole bunch of different colorways, a whole bunch of different creations. Now I'm pretty sure you've probably seen these on Instagram, because like they all over Instagram. It's like the new hot trend. These are fire. They sent these over, and I definitely want to talk to y'all about these before we get into the unboxing. But this is like the black colorway that they have. Also, we have, which one is this one? They sent over a few colorways. This is like the earth tone brown colorway. So this is like the earth tone brown colorway. And before we get any further, before I show y'all the last colorway, as y'all can see, hold on, let me let this like zoom in on the camera real quick. I don't know what's up with the lens. There we go, bow. As y'all can see, like the quality on these is crazy. So like this right here, you see the change in direction of suede. I mean, the overlap straps, very comfortable. Check out the outer, you know what I'm saying? Very good material. It's almost like, you know, them iridescent colors that when they hit the sun, they go crazy. So right now it kind of looks just like bland, but when the sun hit them, they be beaming, changing colors, and this is the one I like the most. They do have other colorways over on the website. All you gotta do is check out the link down below in the description of the video and you'll see more. But like I said, it's getting hot out, man, and I'm not always wearing sneakers. Like I said, I just literally left Miami, and I wanted to bring a pair of these. I'm headed to Vegas in June for my boy Holla birthday. Hiya, here we have the box. I'm excited to see what this is. This was another package I got like 3 weeks ago, but I've been so busy, I haven't been home to unbox this. So this one has kind of been, you know what I'm saying, like on my mind for a few days, really wondering what this is, all right? So this was sent over to me by a company. I don't know what it is, but every time they send me something, it's always pretty good. So it's really no telling. Whew, I can only imagine, okay? Because it's a black box. So it might be Puma hoops, okay, or it might just be straight up Puma. At the moment, I have no idea. I'm thinking this might be Puma style though. I'm thinking it might be Puma style. I don't want to ruin it. Let me open these up and see what we got. Oh, this is definitely Puma hoops. This is definitely Puma hoops, bruh. So we got the Puma basketball, okay? And Puma has been sending me a lot of basketball shoes as of lately. The one model that they sent me that look exactly like this is probably my most worn basketball shoe out of all the basketball sneakers I own. And as a matter of fact, by the number of Pumas that they've been sending me, they've been the only shoes I've been playing basketball with in the last few months. I got the J. Cole Dreamers, I got the Dreamer 2s, I got these now, and they also sent me another pair of the same exact sneaker. What is the name of this one though? I don't know the name. This is the Clyde All Pro Kuzma. They sent me the Clyde All Pro Kuzma before, but it was just in another colorway, and they're actually in my backpack in my car right now. But before we get further into the video, let me look into the camera and say this, bro. You're not a real hooper, okay? Unless you got your basketball sneakers and a basketball in your backseat at all times. So for those people who be like, I would play, you know what I'm saying, but I ain't got no shoes, you're not really a hooper, bro. You're not really a hooper. Hey, if I'm lying, then, hey, bro, hold on, bro. If I'm lying, then I'm frying. Comment down below if I'm capped. If you're a real hooper, there's two things you have at all times. Number one, you have a basketball. Number two, you got your basketball shoes in the trunk / backseat at all times, okay? So if that's not you, bro, stop saying you're a hooper, because you're not, all right? You're not. And my pair is downstairs right now in the whip, ready to be worn and put to work. But this colorway here I want to talk to y'all about. Like I said, you kind of get like this all white. Hold on, yeah, it's all white. You get a little bit of gray tones around the toe cap. You also get a little bit of gray up top. You get white laces, but very surprisingly, I've never really seen this on a basketball shoe. You get 3 sets of laces. Now we all know, all right, if you get in a pair of shoes, then more than likely they'll come with laces. But how many basketball sneakers come with spare laces? That's not really the thing. When it comes to basketball shoes, it's pretty much like you buy it as is. What you see is pretty much what you get. So to see that they came out with 3 laces really is cool because they're allowing you to customize your look on the court, which is always fire. But I know what a lot of y'all are thinking about, okay? Because I really think that Puma don't really get the love and respect it deserve. I mean, I know Tony D is like another person who really do love Puma. So a lot of y'all might think that, you know, we accept these sneakers and we gas y'all because they sent it to us for free. But in actuality, yes, they did send it to us for free, but it has been shoes on this channel that I've told y'all straight up, like, I'm not really feeling this one. I did like the last one, or I do like da-da-da. No, I've actually played in these Pumas. Okay, I actually currently play in these Pumas. Just about every player in the NBA that's on the rise, or a lot of the young guys that's in the league, they're all rocking Puma, and it's for a reason. Nobody, look, trust me, everybody want to get a bag, but trust me, at the end of the day, when you hooping, it's all about comfort. So I know a lot of people wondering, like, what about the comfort, aka the style? The comfort on the Puma sneaker, bro, is really good. It's really good. Like, I don't know the exact science that goes into this midsole right here and back out to the outer sole to make it comfortable, but what I can tell you is this shoe is 100%. Actually, it says it right here. It's called Marty X Evo. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that tag right there. It says Marty X Evo technology. That is what's inside this midsole that makes it feel super comfortable. So when you're running up and down the court, it gives you that extra bounce when you running. Trust me, like I said, I hoop in these all the time. And just about all Puma sneakers pretty much have the same technology. And even if you look in the creases and cracks, it kind of looks like the Boost that being easy. So you know I'm not lying. That looks exactly like what Boost, you know, it looks like, you know. So maybe it's of the same family, just different name or different technology, but it pretty much serves the same purpose. It does not have the retail sticker on the box, but these aren't like $500. So like, if you're a hooper, if you're one of my subs out there and you play basketball from time to time and you're looking for a new basketball sneaker, just try to Puma. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna break the bank. That's what another reason why I love them. The price point is good. Just try them out, and also just DM me and let me know what you think about it, because I actually love playing in them. But I mean, that's pretty much it for the video. I just want to thank Puma for sending this out, and of course, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can continue to keep growing as we supposed to. And other than that, man, I will catch y'all in the next one. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.